What is so compelling about our Evolution walk-ins that persuades our customers all over the world? Is it the high-precision, self-centering panel connections with superior metals and surface quality? Or is it the corrosion-protected cam lock system for rock-solid hold and seal? Or the absolute skid-proof and high-load capacity floors? Or the versatile configuration? One certainty is that it's the fastest, most cost-efficient installation for a food-safe certified coated cold storage unit with flexibility to meet your requirements in size and configuration. Evolution, the revolution in walk-in construction.